I've been watching you.
Come on, baby. Yeah. That's the sound of freedom. What the hell? Isn't nobody supposed to be walking out here?
Devil in a red dress, call 911, I'm a killer. You know I had to confess. Bang bang, got my hand on the trigger. The devil in a red dress, call 911, I'm a killer.
What are you doing? That's not where you. That's dangerous.
Bang bang, got my hand. Call
Run, Bigfoot, run! Bigfoot, what are you doing across the street here? Bigfoot! That's not a good place to be standing when it's not safe. Walking there?
Here.
Holy moly. Good job there, Bigfoot. Good job.
devil in a red dress, call 911, I'm a killer. You know I hate to confess. Bang bang, got my hand on the trigger. The devil in a red dress, call 911, I'm a killer. You know I hate to confess. Bang bang, got my hand. Call
Go, bunny rabbit. That doesn't have lights on. Now I'm passing a car that doesn't have its lights on.
I hope you make it home.
Yeah, when you watch some of these San Diego County Dashcam videos, you'll wonder how they ever drive without getting in a wreck. The drivers out here are terrible.
Oh, that's California.
Yeah.
California for you.
Oh, boy. What is that guy doing? What's that guy doing?
Keep right, then keep left.
No, I saw him back up.
Lane to keep left toward I-8 West and San
backing
Diego.
up for a second.
Well, we got one more. We got one more.
Use the right lane to keep right toward Broadway and Fletcher Parkway.
Oh, I can't hear you because there's
Just keep going straight. Keep going straight. Keep going straight.
Keep right, then turn right.
Don't turn right.
At the light, use the right lane to turn right.
This thing is
Use
crazy.
the right lane to take exit 1 onto Bradley Avenue.
Want to turn right?
He wants to get right on that guy's butt, doesn't he? What's that guy doing? He's blocking traffic.
Yeah, because they cannot wait.
The lifeblood, if I'm correct, the lifeblood of the world's economy is energy, and oil, gas, and coal right now.
That's not a left turn lane there,
The
woman.
world's best options. You could add nuclear, but that wouldn't get through.
But what you do is I don't blame you. Oh, come on there, buddy.
But we spend more because we're going to be traveling through.
Well, we're kind of going that direction a little bit.
So we're going
That's okay.
south.
We're good. I wonder if I can get by that guy.
I would not try.
Yeah, I don't think we're going to. Oh, he's so bitch.
There's a car.
There's a car behind.
I would not try. No, you're going to hit the curb. Off-road, off-road, off-road.
That's why I got an SUV, baby.
Oh, look.
SUV. That's the mall.
No, they were gonna drop you off behind this building.
Behind the building?
Yeah.
What's on the other side of the building?
It's a pickup.
Pickup's on the other side of the building?
Yeah.
Where?
It's
Let's
for
go look
pickup.
at the other side of the building now.
Okay, bro.
How do you get back there? Right here? Turn right here.
I think it's the wrong way. Yeah. I think I did last time. You said.
Well, there's something that right
Then
here.
turn right here.
There's something right here, whatever that says.
Just turn right.
Okay.
It's not real busy. We're okay.
Yeah, this is it.
Oh.
Yeah. See, surgery center pickup recovery.
Reserve
Oh,
patience on that.
so you dropped me off at the front and you
Yeah.
picked me up right here.
Oh.
Well, this is why I wanted to come out here and see where all this stuff was. All right, Alex. Now hit the Belmont from here. Here.
I'm lost.
But don't drive over the cliff.
Woo!
Fuck that. Let me see if I can get us out of here. Just stop a second. Unless somebody comes, just hold up.
Just go out and then go turn right and then you turn.
That's all right. I got Garmin taking them out of here.
Head southeast toward Alvarado Avenue.
Oh, you're in the Fletcher Parkway. You don't know what.
Head southeast toward Alvarado
I'm
Avenue.
just trying to get them out of the parking lot.
Yeah, I'm lost. I'm lost in the parking lot.
Sweetheart, I'm co-pilot and I'm the navigator, and Alex is driving, so you know we're going to have problems.
My goodness.
Especially this the first time Alex has driven
Here.
ever, and also wrong. Well, that says wrong way. Don't go that way.
Well, okay, yeah.
I think that's the way we went just a minute ago.
No.
Thank you.
Okay.
That's going to be in a future. That's going to be in a future dash cam video.
I'm aware.
Yeah, make a U-turn here, Alex.
I'm aware there's a car. I'm not that bad.